In this video, I show you how to get your cell phone numbers into a unified format. Hi, welcome to an edition of Tech Tip Tuesdays, where I show you how to do really simple things using Excel, KNIME, and Jasper reports. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can get your cell phone number data into a unified format. If you've ever had a situation where your data looks like this and you have cell phone numbers that are different formats and you need to get it into the same format like this over here, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. In my career, I do data analytics, I do business intelligence and information architecture. I've been around for about 25 years doing all this amazing work in Excel. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of the tricks that I learned over the time. And the one is getting your data in the same format. Now, normally I show you how to do this in different tools, but this is just a simple Excel formula that you can use if you have that issue today. So let's hop into it. Right, as you can see here, I've got a standard Excel document. I've got the numbers, phone numbers in different formats. You could have this sort of with a +27 in front of it. If you, whatever your country code is, those first two numbers is your country code. So that would be those first two numbers over there would be your country code, and then the cell phone number. Get it in different formats, and this is generally a problem when you're trying to bring data into one format like it is in column E. Where you just want it to be in one format. You could have this in different, so with a 0 in front of it, so the 083 123 4567, or you could even decide that you want to have it in a country code format, so plus country code and then the phone number without the leading 0 in front of it. I've opted for this format. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So we can see these are varying lengths, 11, 10 and 9. When we look at the actual problem, it is what we really want is just this little block of data over here. And so we in analytics, when we look at data, what we always got to find, similar to maths, got to find the lowest common denominator. The lowest common denominator here is 9, which is the number of characters that you must have. You must have 9 characters to make up a cell phone. You can always guess the the prefix 0 in front of it, but sometimes it will have it and sometimes it won't. Go ahead and see what we can do to fix this. So we only want this edge number, the last few characters over here. We want the lowest common denominator, which is 9. And to do that, we're going to use the right function. Now the right function is pretty simple. It just takes all the characters from the right hand side of the text. So it will look at this, so it will start over here and will work its way back to the front, to the left. So it starts at the right and works its way back to the left. So for that, we're going to put in a formula here. So we want this format. So what we're going to do is we're going to say equals right. So we type oops, that's my name, not the function. How did that happen? So it's right. We're going to get the text that we want, and then the number of characters, the lowest common denominator, which is 9, and that's it. And so we type in 9. There we got it. Oh, here we got the 83 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we can obviously just fold that down, and we see that formula follows through. So if we look at this, we want to see if it's a match. We say equals. So equals that. Through, and we copy that down, and so they are all true. And that's how you get your cell phone numbers in the same format. You just use the right function. Remember the lowest common denominator is what you want to use, and that will make everything fine. If you've enjoyed this little tip, leave a comment and let me know if there's any other formats that you may want me to show you how to do. If there's anything with Excel that you have a question on, leave a comment below and I may make a video on how to solve that. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and maybe hit that like button. Cheers.